Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be diving into the powerful world of Global Mapper, an incredible GIS tool. This will be a brief introduction to the Global Mapper. I will be using some of the tools that are available, and if you want me to dive deep into the Global Mapper tool, please feel free to post your comment down below. But before that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos. Here I have opened the Global Mapper and this is the welcome screen. In today's brief tutorial, we will create a random area and perform some calculation and analysis within the Global Mapper. To do this, I will first select the digitizer tool and create an area feature. So here I don't have any option to give the latitude and longitude to create the area. However, down at the bottom right corner I can see here the latitude and longitudes values that is displayed here. As I move the cursor over the screen, around the screen, I can see the value of the latitude and longitudes changes. So if I move slightly towards the right, so I have this another set of latitude and longitude values coming. So I'll just create a random area, trapezoidal area, let's say, and I will give it a name as area and the user feature layer as user created feature. Click the OK button, and this is the area or the boundary of the area. Now I need to get the elevation data, for which I can either use the offline data, which can be downloaded from the website such as USGS. For this case, I will be using the option that is available within the Global Mapper, and clicking on this connect to online data will open a dialog box. So for this example, I will select the SRTM worldwide elevation data 1 arc resolution, and down here I will select the current download within currently selected polygon, and I click on the connect button. So it is downloading. Okay, so in this random area there is the legend over here. So the blue area is the sea level and downs. So the most of the area that we have selected is the sea level, and somewhat towards the right side we have the elevation increasing, and we have some the elevation of some of the points is as high as 2000 feet, I guess. So we will see that. Okay, moving on, if I want to create a point within this area, I'll right click on it and create point and text features. Click on the point, create a new point text feature, and I'll just click it and give it a name as center, or let's say A1, and the feature layer as user created features. Okay, I'll create another line A2. Okay, and A3. Okay, A4. Okay, so this is how I can create multiple point. So now if I want a line joining these points or these vertices, to do that I'll go to the create line features and create new line feature vertex mode. So I'll take click on each points and join it by a line, and right click on it and give it a name line. Okay, and the feature layer as user created features. Okay, so if I want to view the elevation along the line, along this line, what I can do is select the line, right click on it, go to the analysis measurement, and see the path profile along the line. so it is taking some time. So this is the path profile. So if I move my hand cursor on the path profile window, so if you look at the global mapper main elevation window here, the cross mark moves along with it, and we can see how the elevation varies along the line. Okay, so that is one of the thing, and one more thing that I can do from this is I can save this profile to BMP or to vector PDF, or I can just save the path as a CSV file as well. So now moving on, next is I can create a buffer area in this line. So to create it, I will go to the create area polygon feature and create a buffer around the selected features. So I will just give it a value of 1 nautical mile on either side, or let's say 2 nautical mile, and since this buffer will be on both sides, I've selected this and created a rectangular buffer rather than rounded buffers, and select the OK button. So this is how it creates the buffer around the line. So if I want to find the highest and the lowest point within this area, I can do this. I can find it by selecting the buffer area. I need to zoom in a bit. Okay, that's better. So this, I have selected the buffer area, and right click on it and go to analysis measurement and calculate elevation slope stats for selected feature. So I'll click yes, and it is calculating the area and elevation slopes statistics. Okay, so I'll zoom out a bit. So here now you can see the highest elevation within the buffer area of 2 nautical miles either side of this line. The highest point elevation is 2090 feet, and the lowest is minus 23 feet. So these are some of the tools that you can use, and some of the basic tools I would prefer. Some of the basic tools you can use in Global Mapper to do GIS mapping and analysis. So if you want me to deep dive into the Global Mapper tools and perform more advanced analysis and calculations, do post your opinion in the comment. What type of video should I do? And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.